Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Okay, so in this occasion, we have a podcast with my friend is
Roy. So my full name is Hans Regafar, and you guys can call me Roy.
and my name is Erlangga Nugroho. You can call me Erlang. So, what the time that we choose about this podcast?
So maybe we will make a conversation, or we will talk about overthinking.
Yes, overthinking under the main point is from problem solving. So in this occasion, I will just take about overthinking. As you know, some many people have problem about this overthinking. Cause why? Cause some people cannot choose how to make opinion from his life. So we just started. Okay.
Just start.
Okay, from overthinking. Do you ever have overthinking about everything in your life?
I not only ever, I often
Oh,
because overthinking is like uh, so many what about problem.
okay. Can you tell us about your, I mean, example of your,
Problem
yes,
about example, if you have problem, then you can't solve it, and before you solve the problem, there was a problem again, and it will
or repeat?
yes, and I overthinking about that.
Okay. So, in your experience, overthinking made you think about one mistakes and make another mistakes that repeat
Yes.
like that. Okay. Do you ever have the solution for your problem? This overthinking.
For the solution, maybe don't to think about the problem, just solve and be calm.
Okay. Okay. Now, in Roy opinion, he have to what? Calm and
Calm and don't to think about the problem.
okay, but here we have a scientific opinion for to solve the overthinking. Then the first that we have the solution. Okay, do you know about what is plus minus method or the name is cost benefit analysis?
I have never heard it. What is
Okay,
that?
okay. So in plus minus methods is like the trick to solve your overthinking with have comparison. So when you have, can you give example?
When I have a problem and another problem
What the problem is it?
is maybe I fight with my friend, and then maybe my laptop.
Okay, okay. So if you have the both comparison from your mistakes, you just choose it. What's the first you can solve it? First, if you fight with your friends, what's the benefit or the, and then the minus one, and then if you what again after fight, and then your laptop broken.
Yes.
When your laptop broken, you cannot do your project.
Yes.
So what first that you will solve it. Nah, this is the point. So you must have comparison, or Indonesian is perbandingan. What the more better, I mean better that you must solve it. So this is plus minus. So I think I must to solve my friend first. After friends, you can solve your laptop because friend is can help you to make your laptop better. Maybe like that. That's plus minus. And then the other is time limitation strategy. If this you ever heard?
If this I ever heard it because I also ever feel it.
Oh, relate ya.
Yes, because yeah, I always think and I think it too long, so I can make myself calm.
Okay. From this analysis, thinking too long makes you anxious or make you feel bad. Cause why? You always thinking that problems uh, sustainable. I mean continuous. So your problems is just in your mind, not in yourself in real life. So you must make an action before you have a bad mind or a bad brain. So in here, for example, small decisions just you take a few hours, and medium decisions 1 until 2 days. So you must give a time for you thinking, but also you must have the action. Okay.
Not only think about the problem.
Yes, in here we just see the small decisions is just a few hours. I think 3 or 4 with your activity, just continuing your activities and you can do it. And the other decisions in medium you can do until 1 until 2 days if your problems not solved. Okay. The other one we have focus on the process. So, when you have problem, do you ever thinking what's your results? I mean, you not have a problem with your process. Do you ever it? When you overthinking,
When I am overthinking,
yes. Do you always focus on the not the result? I mean, yeah. We focus too much on the possibility of failure. So when you have failed, you always focus to the failure, not the how to solve it.
I ever. So I was I do the same thing repeatedly.
Okay. So you don't have change to make you better like that. You just focus to your
Yes.
failure. So this is not good, yeah, because when you have failure, you must have visionary mind to make you solve your problem. So don't focus to the this problem. So there is the example. Instead of asking what if I fail, you must have better ask what can I learn from this. So you have to move more big steps to solve your problem on overthinking. Okay. The other one, consulting the right person. This I have many problems, and I always use these tricks.
What is
Consulting. So when you have problem, you just search people, person, or are your friends, trusted friends, and then you have apa?
like if in Indonesian is curhat, right?
Yes, curhat. Yes, can deep talk so. So when you have problem, you just tell it to your friends, and I think 80% people will feel better if they do these tricks. Do you ever do it?
Yes. If I have a problem, I always do this trick.
Evenly you consulting to who? I mean kan this there is teachers,
Yes.
parent, wise friends. What you?
If I in my home, I always do this. I always consulting to my parents.
Okay.
But if in here, to my trusted friends.
Okay. So your friends so meaningful ya in here, cause we know we have boarding here, and also for me when I'm in home, I always tell my problem into my mother, because my father is work. And then when here, I just tell to my best friend or wise friends here, so it's make me better. Okay, thank you, Roy, for this podcast. I think you have the conclusion for our podcast. Can you give the conclusion?
Before that, I will say thank you very much to Erlang because
Okay.
in this podcast, I got so many things that help me to solve my problem
Okay.
because this podcast is also relate
Yes, yes. Me
in
too,
my
yeah, me
life.
too.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So you get the benefit ya from
Yes.
this
Okay.
podcast. Okay, me too sih. I'm also relate for this theme of problem solving. Okay, maybe that's all. Can we appreciate to the audience?
Yes.
Thank you for watching for us. Maybe that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.